Hello, welcome back. If you're new here, my name is Linnea. I live in the suburbs. We are trying to become semi-self-sufficient where we garden, we do sourdough, we do fun recipes. So if that's something that you're interested in, consider subscribing. If you're not new here, hi, welcome back. Missed you. Today, we are doing another salsa recipe. Last year, I don't think I did any salsa. I did all like pasta sauce with my tomatoes. And this year I feel like my tomatoes are ripening kind of sporadically, which I don't have like 45 pounds of tomatoes all at once right now to do pasta sauce. So today we are gonna do jalapeno salsa. I don't know where it is. I don't know if you can see it, but it is out of the Blue Book Guide to Preserving. This recipe says that I only need about 3 to 4 medium tomatoes, which I definitely have, and like 20 jalapenos, which I think I definitely have. So we are gonna go out to the garden and pick all the things and come back and blanch our tomatoes to get the skins off. I apologize if you can hear that engine running in the background. It is Jonathan. His lawnmower kind of blew up a little bit, so he's fixing it, and now he's making sure it works. So if you can hear that, I'm sorry. Also, if you hear extra dog clicking, we have 2 extra dogs in our house right now. We are dog sitting for my sister-in-law, who has 2 little dogs named Mumford and Molly. I'm sure you will see them sometime in this video. Actually, hey Mumford, come here. Come here. You guys want to see Mumford? You guys want to meet Mumford? Come here. Ooh. This is Mumford. Say hi to Mumford. His tongue sticks out because it is too big for his mouth. So, this is Mumford. Molly looks exactly the same, except her tongue fits in her mouth. So, we're gonna go out to the garden. We're gonna go pick some things, and come along with us, okay? All right, let's go. Alright, now I have like 20 jalapenos. Last time I did not wear a glove and I said I would regret it, and I did. So this time I have a glove on. I'm going to try not to regret it. And we're going to take pretty much most of the seeds out because I'm not looking to have like super spicy salsa. And this is called jalapeno salsa. So I don't want to have the burny butt, the fire butt. So yeah, I'm literally just gonna spend the next probably like 30 to 45 minutes chopping up jalapenos. Alright, that literally it seemed like forever. But we have all of our jalapenos, and I'm going to put them in here. And I have all of these tomatoes. I'm also going to put in here. Mix it around, even though I don't have the heat on yet. I'm going to cut up one onion and add it to that. Alright, it says a half teaspoon of cumin. I'm not going to measure this. One and a half teaspoons of salt. I am also going to cut up 6 cloves of garlic and put it in here. Ooh. Alright, also it calls for a half cup of cider vinegar. This is a 1/4 cup, so obviously I'm doing 2. And the 2 things that I am not adding to this are cilantro, which it calls for, let me check. 2 tablespoons of minced cilantro. Tastes like soap to me. I'm not adding it. And 2 teaspoons of oregano. I personally don't love oregano in my salsa, so I'm not adding it. If you all make this, add it if you want. I don't care. I'm the one that has to eat it. So this is what we're doing. Alright, it does say to bring this to a simmer for 10 minutes, so that's what I'm doing. I have my lids heating up back here. I have my jars not processing, but getting warm, sterilizing over here in that. And that's Molly. Molly is, I think Molly's 14. Are you 14, Molly? You're pretty old. Yeah. But she loves food, so I will always find her next to the stove protecting my food. So that's Molly. Alright, we'll be back in about 10 minutes to actually fill our jars. See you then. Alright, I'm about to make a giant mess, I'm sure of it. And it says it makes 3 pints. Let's hope it actually does make 3 pints, because I need to go buy jars. I'm almost out of jars. So if there is some left over, it's going in the fridge. Oh yeah, for sure 3 jars. No more than that. I don't even know if we're gonna get 3 jars. If this is only just like a little bit of a jar, I'll just put it in the fridge. I won't process it.
You use cumin.
I used cumin and
Sometimes that, kind of smells like BO, you know what I'm saying?
everyone's gonna hear that. Our house smells like BO. Guys, all that work for 2 pint jars. It'd be that way sometimes. Because I don't have a giant garden. So yeah, it'd be that way sometimes. I'm gonna let these sit here overnight. And then tomorrow, Jonathan and I will try the one we put in the fridge. These guys will go in the basement. And we'll never buy salsa again. Probably. Because I'll make more. I know I will. Okay, John's trying it. We did eat it last night, and it's good.
Very good.
It's like a little more sweet, I think. I think it's because of the apple cider vinegar.
Yeah.
There's no like sugar, but it's good. Just do it.
I know, it's not going to make everything soaked.
And we had homemade chalupas last night, and Jonathan put it on his chalupa along with the jalapenos we did a couple weeks ago.
Those are my favorite.
Yeah, those are. I need to make them again so we can stock up. I think we only have 1 more jar left. So anyways, we're gonna have our lunch and then I'm gonna go edit this video, and our dog is dead. And then there's these dogs that are not dead. Anyway, we'll see you in our next video. Okay? Alright, bye!